Hey guys, how are you? We have a Jaguar 2017 Jaguar XF. The back right passenger door had a lot of water in it. You could hear it when you shook it all around. You hear it splashing around. So it turns out there's a design flaw where when the stripping gets too hot, it seals the holes. So down here, if you just remove this right here, there's a little plug here. The water will drain out. But also up along the door, you'll notice if you just pull it out a little bit, it's draining out. What had happened was, I guess it got too hot and sealed the hole. So what I did is I just pulled off the stripping a little bit, and there was a little hole underneath here, and I just stuck a screwdriver, and I'll see if I can show you the hole. So right here, see that hole? Just stick a screwdriver up in there and get the clog out, and the whole door just evacuated the water. So this was for a 2017 Jaguar XF. So if you have water in your door, if you're getting water in your car, all you have to do is pretty much remove the stripping a little bit and put a screwdriver in the holes to get out all the water. And that's it. You don't have to take it in, spend a lot of money. If your car's still under warranty, I believe you can take it in and they will fix it for you, but ours is not, so just gonna have to drain it if it happens again like this. But luckily it wasn't getting in our car. But hope this helps.